Hi guys, Coach Foster again. So we did the first lesson for day 1, February 8th, 9th, and 10th. This is February 11th or February 12th now, okay? Depending on what day you have PE. And we are doing a game today called, I forgot the name of the game. That's all right. Maybe you can think of a name, okay? But the way we're going to play this game is you're going to pick something. I've got a book here. So I've got a wadded up piece of paper, okay, and I've got a book. I can hit the book up, hit the wad of paper with a book. I've got a cutting board here. I could hit it up in the air with the cutting board. Or I've got a spatula. Of course, the cutting board and the spatula come from the kitchen, and the book comes from wherever you have a book. Spatula doesn't work very well for me. So I would suggest either a cutting board or a book. And of course, if you have a paddle or a racket, that would be even better. But we're kind of substituting things that we have at home. Now, you have two choices with this game. You could hit it to a partner, and so let's say I'm hitting to a partner, okay? And I throw it up, and then I hit it to my partner, and they don't hit it back. Then I get the point. If they hit it back, it drops, then they get the point. So that's how you play with a partner. If you're like me and you're playing by yourself, then you got two choices. And I kind of like the cutting board, so I'm going to use the cutting board. You can either hit it straight up in the air. So that was 3. See if I can do better. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think I can do better than that. Maybe the book will work better. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right? Now you can either do it that way, or you could hit it off the wall. Okay? So I can go 1, 2, 3. Doesn't work very well, but you can try it. Okay? By the way, if you cannot find anything, there's nothing wrong with your hands. You might even do better with your hands. So I could do 2 hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or 1 hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So try all these different things, which is a really good idea. Try playing with a partner if somebody will play with you. Try playing by yourself, either up in the air or off the wall. If you don't have anybody to play with, or if you just want to do something different, okay? So that's our game today. I hope you have fun with it. I'll see you next time for Online PE.